What if I told you that most hazardous waste violations don't come from major spills or disasters? What if they actually come from small, everyday oversights, like missing labels or a drum that's been sitting too long in the corner? Today, we're breaking down the 8 most common red flags that we see in hazardous waste programs and what they tell inspectors about your facility. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to spot these issues before they cost you serious time, money, and stress. Hey there, I'm Doug Ruhlin from RMA, your environmental experts. We've reviewed hundreds of hazardous waste programs across all types of industries: manufacturing, utilities, transportation, marine, and no matter where we go, the same red flags keep popping up. Now, before we go too far, just know this: if you ever need a hand with your hazardous waste compliance, you can always reach out to us here at RMA. We make it simple, consistent, and stress-free. All right, let's jump in. Red flag number 1, containers without labels or with the wrong ones. Every hazardous waste container needs a clear, complete, and legible label that says hazardous waste and identifies what's inside. But inspectors constantly find faded handwriting, peeling stickers, or no labels at all. One unlabeled drum can show that your entire program looks like it's out of control. Red flag number 2, no accumulation dates or containers sitting too long. Containers must be dated and shipped or moved within specific time limits based on your generator status. If they've been sitting for months, that's a red flag that your team doesn't fully understand your generator category, and inspectors will dig deeper. Red flag number 3, misclassified generator status. Your generator status affects everything: storage time limits, record-keeping requirements, and reporting requirements. If your manifests show volumes that don't match your declared category, it's not just a paperwork problem, it's a credibility issue. Red flag number 4, mixed or incompatible wastes. Mixing wastes, like used oil and solvents, can cause reactions, pressure buildup, or expensive disposal issues. It also tells inspectors your staff may not be trained properly. Keeping waste streams appropriately separate shows control and safety. Red flag number 5, lack of training or training the wrong people. We see this constantly. The people actually handling waste at your facility often haven't been trained or haven't had their annual refresher. Regulations require training within 6 months of hire and annually after that. Training isn't just a box to check, it's your first line of defense. Red flag number 6, missing or incomplete manifests. Your manifests are the backbone of compliance. They prove that your waste was properly managed. If copies of these disposal manifests are missing, incomplete, or disorganized, inspectors assume that you've lost control of your program. Keep them complete, accurate, current, and easy to find. Red flag number 7, disorganized or outdated documentation. Even if your operations look great, your paperwork needs to match. Training records, inspection logs, contingency plans, inspectors will ask for all of it. If you can't produce your documents quickly, it signals a lack of control. At RMA, we help clients build inspection-ready systems so you can hand over what regulators want in seconds. And finally, red flag number 8, poor housekeeping. If your storage and containment areas are messy, your spill kits are empty, or drains are stained, inspectors assume bigger problems are hiding underneath. Good housekeeping makes a strong first impression and shows you're in control. Now, if a few of these sound familiar to you, don't worry. Almost every facility has them. The key is to find them, fix them, and prevent them from coming back. And that's exactly what we can do at RMA. From site audits and employee training to organized documentation systems and on-call support. You want to know what that might cost? We believe in transparency. So we've built a hazardous waste services pricing calculator right here on our website. You can get an instant, no pressure estimate based upon your facility and your needs. Fast, free, and clear. At RMA, we help you catch the small issues before they turn into big problems, so you can protect your people, your facility, and your peace of mind.